Hello and welcome back to another part modeling exercise. Today in this tutorial I am creating the coolant casing plate. This is the engineering drawing of the part. Scale is 1:4. Its size is A3. In the note all dimensions are in mm. The radius is 2 mm. I am creating the features in individual part bodies, and after creating the bodies and I merge to the main part body using Boolean operation. To start, mechanical design, part design. Part name is coolant casing plate. Select this, create a geometrical set, click on OK. On isometric view, select XY plane, select position sketch, reverse this vertical and horizontal direction, and OK. Now I am creating this rectangular portion, 200 mm width, 200 mm length. In the profile command bar, select centroid rectangle, select the center point, create a one rectangle and give the dimensions 200 mm height, 200 mm width. Click fit in all, and now I am creating this offset rectangle. Offset distance is 8 mm. In the operation command bar, select this offset option. Here, select this point propagation, select the line. Offset distance is 8 mm. 8. Press enter. Now select this both horizontal line. Right click. The select objects, make this line as a horizontal. Select this vertical lines. Right click. Make this line as a vertical and give the offset distance. Offset distance is 8 mm. Exit workbench. Rename this sketch 1 as a square base. Rename this geometrical set as a sketch. Go to insert, select body. Rename this body as a square base. And the pad total length is 35 mm and inner portion length is 8 mm. In the sketch based feature, select this multi-pad option or command. Select the square base sketch. In the domains, length of the line number 1 is 8 mm. It is internal rectangle. The line 2 is 35 mm. Click on preview, then OK. Hide this square base. Now I am designing this stiffeners having 6 mm width and 23 mm height. Hide the square base. Define the sketch. Select XY plane. Click on position sketch. Reverse this horizontal and vertical direction. Unhide the square base. In the operation command bar, select this 3D project element, select inside edge of this rectangular base. Now hide the square base. I am extracted edge from the square base. Select a line. Create a inclined line from the edges or endpoints. The operation command bar, select this offset command. Select this no propagation and select both side offset. Select the line. Offset thickness is 3 mm. Make this side also offset 3 mm. Select the center line and convert this line as a construction line. The operation command bar, select a trim command. Select first option, trim all element. Select required profile. It will be trimmed unwanted profile. Now select quick trim option. Trim the excess line. I am created closed profile. You can check the status also. It is ISO constraint. Click on exit workbench. Insert a new body. Rename this body as a stiffener 1. Rename this sketch 2 also. The sketch based feature, select this pad option. Select the sketch. The pad length is 23 mm. Now hide this stiffener 1. Now I am creating this cylindrical portion. Outer diameter is 70 mm. Inner diameter is 55 mm. And the height is 35 mm. Hide the stiffener 1. Define the sketch. Select XY plane. Click on position sketch. Reverse the directions. Select a circle. Create a 2 circle with the center point. Outer diameter is 70 mm. Inner diameter is 55 mm. Click on exit workbench. Rename this sketch 3 as a shaft. Insert a new body. Rename this body also. Select the shaft 1 sketch. Select this pad option. The pad length is 35 mm. Now I am creating this triangular feature. Hide the shaft 1. Define the sketch. Select XY plane. Click on position sketch. Reverse these directions. And OK. And hide this square base. In the operation command bar, select this 3D project element. Select this top edge of the square base. Now hide this square base. Select a circle. Create the circle with coincidence to the vertical line. The height of the circle is 150 plus 110 plus 130 mm is 390 mm. Select the center point and this horizontal line. The length is 390. And the diameter of the circle is 56 mm. Diameter is 56. Select a line. Select this point and this circle. Make this tangency. Select the end point. This circle. Make this coincidence and tangency. Select the circle. Convert this circle into construction. Coincidence point. Select a line. Close this sketch. This line. Convert this line as a construction. Select the profile command. Create this type profile. This length is 8 mm. I'm creating this portion for construction purpose. Mm. And the offset is 8 mm. The operation command bar, select this offset option. Select point propagation. Select the line. The offset is 8 mm. Give the dimension. Now check the sketch status is ISO constraint. On exit workbench. Rename this sketch as a triangular base. Insert new body. Rename this body also triangular base. Select multi-pad option. Select the triangular base. Select the first line. The length is 8 mm. Select the second line. And the length of the second line is 35 mm. Then preview and OK. Now I am creating this circular feature. Outer diameter is 56 mm. Inner diameter is 36 mm. The length is 390 mm. Hide this triangular base. Define the sketch. Select XY plane. Click on position sketch. Reverse these directions. Select a circle. Create a circle with coincidence to the vertical line. Create another circle, the same point. Outer diameter is 56 mm. Inner diameter is 36 mm. The vertical length is 390 mm. Click on exit workbench. Rename this sketch as a shaft 2. Insert the new body. Rename this body as a shaft 2. Select the shaft 2. Select pad option. Pad length is 50 mm. Length is 50. Hide the shaft 2. Now I am creating this circular feature. Outer diameter is 40 mm, inner diameter is 20 mm. Define the sketch. Select XY plane. Composition sketch. Reverse this directions. Now unhide this triangular base. Select a circle. Create a two circle with coincidence to the vertical line. Now hide this triangular base. Select a circle. Create a two circle with same point, coincidence to the vertical line. Outer diameter is 40 mm. Inner diameter is 20 mm. The height of the feature is 110 plus 130 is 240 mm. 240. Click on exit workbench. Rename this sketch as a shaft 3. Insert the new body. Rename this body shaft 3. Select this shaft 3. On pad. Pad length is 40 mm. Length is 40. Enter. Hide the shaft 3. Now I am creating this rib feature. Outer diameter is 26 mm. Inner diameter is 12 mm. And the length is 130 mm. From this center point, define the sketch. Select XY plane. Decomposition sketch. Reverse the directions. Hide the square base. Select the circle. Create two circles with the same point. Inner diameter is 12 mm. Outer diameter is 26 mm. And the length is 130 mm. Select 3D project element. Project this line. Now hide this square base. Select a line command. Create two line coincidence to the circle and this horizontal line. This side also. Select this two line. Right click. Make this line as a vertical. The operation command bar. Select this trim option. Select this first option, trim all element. Select required profile. Select the quick trim option. Select this first option. Trim this arc. Click on exit workbench. Rename this sketch as a rib. Insert the new body. Rename this body as a rib. Select this rib sketch. Select pad option. The pad length is 35 mm. Length is 35. Hide this rib. Now I am creating stiffener having 8 mm width from this center point to center point. Define the sketch. Select XY plane. Decomposition sketch. Reverse this horizontal and vertical direction. Then OK. Now unhide this triangular base. Select the line. Create a line. Now hide this triangular base. Length is from this center point to this center point is 130 mm. The total length is 110 plus 150. It is 260 mm. From this horizontal line to starting point is 130. Total length is 260. Select offset option. Click on first option, no propagation, and select both side offset and select this line. The offset is 4 mm. Select this center line, convert this line as a construction. Select a line, close this file, bottom side also. Exit workbench. Rename this sketch as a stiffener 2. Insert the new body. Rename this body also. Select stiffener 2. Click on pad. Pad length is 23 mm. Length is 23. I will show you how to use the Boolean operations. I am created individual features in different bodies. This is a Boolean operation command bar. First, define the part body. Select square base. The Boolean operation. Select this add option. Square base. Add square base to the part body. Click on OK. Square base added to the part body. Next, define this part body. Select the stiffener 1. Select add option. Stiffener 1 added to part body. Define the part body. Select the shaft 1. Now select union trim option. And here faces to be removed. Select this one. Select the faces. Will be removed. Select this face and this rib face. Come preview. Will be removed. Find the part body. Select the triangular base. Click on add. Click on OK. Again define the part body. Select the shaft. Select union trim. Select faces to be removed. Select this internal face. Come preview. Will be removed. OK. Find the part body. Select the shaft 3. Select union trim. Select faces to be removed. Select this base. Define the part body. Select this rib. On union trim. Faces to be removed. Select this base. Okay. Define this part body. Select this stiffener 2. Select this union trim. Faces to be removed. Select this face and this face. This face. Select edge fillet. The radius is 2 mm. Select the edges. Some preview. Click on OK. Select the circular face. Right click. Change the color, the green, and select edge fillets. Change the color of this edge fillet as a yellow color. Hide these lines. Now I am created this complete part.